Hi guys, it's Nunu. Welcome back from spring break, and I will see you shortly on Monday in our classroom. So here we are in English 100. We're in the Canvas component of our class, and we're in home, which for us acts like a bulletin board in a classroom. And what are we doing in week 10 in modules? April 8th through April 14th. We have the Essay 2 revision and Online Journal 9, and we're going to finish Charles Bukowski, his short story, sometimes called a narrative poem, The Most Beautiful Woman in Town, dated 1983, and two poems I want to introduce you to. So on our bulletin board here we have a photograph of Bukowski, the LA writer, of The Lowlife, Time Magazine said, but the LA writer of The Ordinary Person. I want to remind you that my office hours in General Classroom Building 210D are 12 to 2 on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays, of course. And as always, I have our workshopping the essay policy here, which is the grading policy and the late policy for this class. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.